It is Monday morning and it is after the rain. Everything looks so much fresher. Butterfly weed bloomed, coneflowers. Thought I would take a little walk out here while everything is so pretty before it starts baking in the sun again. The other day I had a little mishap with my tomatoes. They were so beautiful. I found some tomato hornworms. I picked them off. It was cloudy. It was getting ready to rain. We were having chances of thunderstorms. It was about 9 in the morning, so I mixed up some neem oil, and instead of waiting till nighttime like a dummy, I went ahead and misted them. And the sun came out. And it didn't rain. It was supposed to rain. It was cloudy. It was not sunny. So I burned up my plants, but they'll recover. But little early girl's got some nice, I've already pulled one off. She's got some nice red ones on there coming on. Getting some. And I'm going to pull those. I'm going to pull those peas and radishes. I'm going to save all the radish greens and the seed pods, and I'm going to pull those soon and dig up those potatoes soon. But yeah, see, I burned up my beautiful, beautiful cherries over there too. Yep, don't mist your stuff in the morning, even if it says it's cloudy and a chance of rain. Yeah, don't trust the weatherman. Had a lot of rain, as you can see, my little holding area of plants that I'm trying to do something with are soaked. And I found these in Virginia. Those are old persimmon tree. As you can see, it's got persimmons on it. And I'm gonna try to root some of these branches that I broke off. I don't know if it's going to be possible. The wood's probably too hard. I brought these back last night. I was shocked. I could not believe it when I saw a native persimmon tree growing on the edge of a property, on the edge of a field. It was really old. It was probably 150 feet tall in the woods. It had persimmons all over it. I'm going to try. I doubt very seriously it'll root, but I'm going to try it anyways. Everything's pretty waterlogged. I got sweet potatoes over here I need to plant. Just don't have any room. Alright, this little funky thing grew in my strawberry bed. I've had lots of mushrooms growing here before. But it's orange. Nasty looking little critter, isn't it? That is not a strawberry. We'll just leave him alone. Which I knew I had these growing. Puffballs. Dragonflies. They're out here. Dragonfly, good morning. Mosquito eaters. highlight, I guess, would be the butterfly weed bloomed and that jacamani right there bloomed.